Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Thursday. We had an interesting setup, and I took a trade last night, which I want to review. Also, some news. Here's the odd sheet as it stood near the close on Wednesday. What quickly stands out is that the averages column for both SPY and ES are highlighted in green. This means that those securities met the minimum long criteria, and there's a possible upside edge. I trade ES, so when I see ES highlighted, I take a close look at the evidence. Seasonality was a little weak, but both price action and internals suggested a sizable upside edge. The Edge Finder also confirmed the upside edge by noting a study was triggering that I've discussed here in the past. Unfilled gaps down on Wednesdays will often gap up on Thursday. So I liked the evidence, and though I was on the road, I noted in the trade discussion room page that I intended to go long near the close. I also stated that I would be using the standard stop and target amounts. When seasonality is strong, I'll often use a larger X target amount, but with seasonality weak, I prefer the smaller target. Let's take a look and see how it all played out. ES settled at 1546. My entry was not as good, and I got filled at 1/4 point above there. With using the standard target, I placed a sell order at 1553.50, and it was still there when I went to sleep. Thursday morning, I saw that my order had been filled, and I earned 7 1/4 points in the trade. I got lucky with the fill because I top-ticked ES for the night. When it opened on Thursday, the gap was 3 1/4 points, so whether traders used the target or not, there was still some money to be made. After only one trade in March, this is the 4th overnight trade I've taken in April, so it's been a busy month so far, and a good one so far as well. Now for the news. This is the last time I intend to use the countdown clock that you see here. After careful consideration, I've decided to do away with the 2-minute overviews. I've noticed that the written posts with research have seemed to be more popular than the videos, so I'll be doing more writing and less talking. I do still intend to have an educational video once every week or two. Thanks for listening, and rest easy. Now for the beep. Bye-bye.